Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a step-by-step guide on how to focus on studies. So, grab your pens and notebooks, because we're about to unlock your study potential. Let's get started. Step 1. Create a distraction-free environment. Find a quiet and clutter-free space where you can study without interruptions. Turn off notifications on your phone, close unnecessary tabs on your computer, and let your family or roommates know that you need some uninterrupted study time. Step 2. Set clear goals. Before you start studying, set specific goals for your session. Break down your tasks into smaller, manageable chunks. This will help you stay organized and motivated. Prioritize your tasks based on urgency or difficulty, and tackle them one by one. Step 3. Use time management techniques. Time management is crucial for maintaining focus. One effective technique is the Pomodoro technique. Set a timer for 25 minutes and work on a single task until the timer goes off. Take a short break of 5 minutes, and then repeat the cycle. After every fourth session, take a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. Step 4. Engage in active learning. Instead of passively reading or listening, actively engage with the material. Summarize what you've learned in your own words, create flashcards to quiz yourself, or teach the material to someone else. By actively participating, you enhance your understanding and retention. Step 5. Take care of your well-being. Taking care of your physical and mental well-being is crucial for focus. Ensure you're getting enough sleep, exercise regularly, and eat nutritious meals. A well-rested and nourished mind is more alert and capable of concentration. Step 6. Find your ideal study routine. Experiment with different study schedules to find the time of day when you feel most alert and focused. Some people are more productive in the mornings, while others prefer evenings. Discover what works best for you and establish a consistent study routine. Step 7. Minimize distractions. Identify potential distractions and take steps to minimize them. Put your phone on silent mode or keep it in another room. Use website blockers to restrict access to distracting websites during study sessions. Create a conducive environment that supports your focus. Step 8. Practice mindfulness and concentration exercises. Train your mind to stay focused by practicing mindfulness and concentration exercises. Meditation, deep breathing, and visualizations can help calm your mind and improve your ability to concentrate for longer periods. Step 9. Take breaks. Don't forget to give yourself regular breaks. After a focused study session, take short breaks to recharge. Use this time to stretch, hydrate, or do something enjoyable. Breaks rejuvenate your mind and prevent mental fatigue. Step 10. Stay motivated and reward yourself. Stay motivated by setting rewards for achieving your study goals. Treat yourself to something you enjoy after completing a challenging task or meeting a significant milestone. Celebrate your progress and keep your motivation high. Well, that wraps up our step-by-step guide on how to focus on studies. Remember, focus is a skill that can be developed with practice. Implement these steps consistently and adapt them to your study style. You've got this. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more study tips and educational content. Leave a comment below to share your own focus strategies or ask any questions you may have. Until next time, happy studying!